need to be on the sell side of the curve in order to start taking high quality shorts. Anybody that's taking a short right now is fucking retarded. Even on the down close 1 minute candles here, if you just try to short at all-time highs, that's a horrible idea. So you need to be ideally on the sell side of the curve, and that means on the second distribution. The first distribution is always risky because you've got a bunch of bullish PD arrays going against you. And then once you see that, once you do have, let me show you what the start of the second distribution looks like. This is some very important shit here this morning. Is this a short? This is a breakup structure. So we have the first leg of distribution. We have the second leg of distribution. And then for me, when it confirms for real is when we end up failing to go grab this high again. On this over here, I'm all in on this. I'm all in on, if this starts to look bearish again, once I see that we failed to go here, I'm placing my my chips on this short, and then I have to start looking for what are the things that can fuck me over on this short back to the downsides. And then if you have protection and you see this thing start slicing, then you're, you know, third, fourth distribution on the sell side of the curve. And then typically my best setups is when I identify the last 20%, of the move. Those are typically the low resistance moves that take you to the target very, very fast. There you have trading in a nutshell. When you should start looking to make your move. Not too early, not too late. Even if you're late on the move, if you have a 1 minute protection, you can still take a short and discount on the 1 minute time frame, because you're maybe on premium on 5, on 15, on 4 hours. 1-to-1 is a really decent risk to reward if you can nail anything that's 60-70% win rate. But I like to have these extra layers of confirmation. It gives me confidence in my trade. And you either have more levels of confirmation and you're right, or you're right most of the time, or you have less confirmations and then you have a higher risk to reward, but you're wrong most times. So those are the only two options that you have in trading, is getting in really early on not a whole bunch of confirmations and then having a very low win rate, or waiting for a few more confirmations and having a lower risk to reward but having a higher win rate. Think about that, guys.